last class, children?
Ma'am, about the autotrophs.
Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, and why do we need food? Mode of nutrition in plants.
Yes.
Like that.
Okay. Okay. Shall we now go to the next slide? So we
Yes,
have
ma'am.
already
We can.
completed
Yes.
heterotrophs, autotrophs. Moving on to the next one.
Ma'am, and also
about
heterotrophs. We completed.
yes. So we are going to study another important heterotroph. Heterotrophs, nutritions are many type of heterotrophic nutrition is there. So one of the heterotroph is fungi. Okay, fungus we call in singular, we call it as fungus.
Yes.
Did we take this? Did we take
Yes,
this?
no, ma'am. Ma'am, we just, ma'am, you just made to read only.
To read, yeah. Okay. So this is only, we are not much to more to learn about it. We just read about what is fungus and we have seen what is the use of fungus in a diet. So this is also is a heterotroph. Okay. So not only animals, this is small bacteria like, because we cannot see with the naked eyes. Okay. We cannot see with the naked eyes. We have to use the microscope for it. Okay. But some of the fungus you can see. I showed you in the water, on the bread. Okay. You will see it, but you cannot see. You cannot see the structure and all. Yes, yes. You cannot see the structure and all. Yeah. We cannot see the structure clearly. No? You can only see the color. Okay. Actually, they also have their own body structure and all. But they are microorganisms, very small, minute microorganism. And this is what we use industrial purpose to make wine, beer. I already told you whiskey, brandy, even toddy. We make vinegar. You know the vinegar?
Yes, ma'am.
Vinegar. What is the food? Chorka. Vinegar. We make apple vinegar. We will make fruit vinegar. Many types of vinegar. Vinegar also is some of the fruit vinegar, like apple vinegar and all that also we use some type of fungi in order to have a chemical reaction. So chemical reaction we will study in 5th chapter. At present, we will only study the biological part. Okay, so there's a fungus that is over. That is over. Now we are moving on to another important part, cell. Okay. So you can write in your notebook, next heading, cell. C-E-L-L, cell. Okay.
Ma'am, this is for lecture notes, right?
Yeah, in your notes, in your rough notebook.
And this should be right in science notebook.
This is on your notebook, lecture notebook. What you have? Morning, what are the things you wrote in the same book? Okay. We have only one lecture book and ruled sheet. We don't have more than two. Okay. You have only one lecture notebook. So in the class, whatever we take, we will write. That's it. So you can write a cell. What is a cell? Okay, that's what we are moving on to. You don't write anything until I explain to you. I will don't write now. You only write the heading cell. Wait. Only write the heading cell. Okay. What do you mean by cell? That's what we are going to see. Okay. A cell, I think Smriti can read. You can read the first sentence what I have written here. What is that? Cell.
Cell, the tiny unit with which the bodies of living organisms are made.
Okay, now you can unmute it. So what do you mean by cell? It is a tiny unit with which the body of living organisms made. We also living organism, correct? So our body, all our hands, skin, face, everything made up out of cell. Our body has a more than
our body.
thousands of cells, tissue or small one. Okay, our entire body is made up of cell. Here mainly we are studying about plant cell. Clear? So this and all you don't have to learn because that is for higher classes. Only I want to show you how this plant cell look like. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Animal cell also, human cell also. But all the cells have a common 3 parts. All the cells have a common 3 parts. That's what we are going to study. So this is plant cells. Since we are studying nutrition in plants, I have only put the plant cells. See, so many things. You will be wondering, ma'am, how it look like? No, we cannot see the plant cell, no? For that, you have to see the microscope. When you go to +2, +1 and all, there's a lab. In that, you will able to see the cell of a onion. You have to cut the part of onion, and then we have to find out all these things. That is for higher studies. So you can see so many things, but all the cells, animal cell, plant cell, human cell, they have three important units. They have three important units. So that three important units are, one is nucleus, another one cytoplasm, and another one cell membrane. Okay. Can you repeat nucleus, which is the one part of the cell? Nucleus.
Nucleus.
Second part, cytoplasm. Say the word.
Cytoplasm.
Say together. Cytoplasm.
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 Okay. Because these all are botanical name. That is why this is look very different. So say the word cytoplasm.
Cytoplasm.
Okay. Nucleus, very simple. Say the word nucleus.
Nucleus.
Nucleus. Then third one, cell membrane. Say the word.
Cell membrane.
Cell membrane.
Cell membrane.
Cell membrane.
Cell membrane.
See, in this thing, you can see so many other names. Very difficult, no? Endoplasmic reticulum, endoplasmic, cytoskeleton, central vacuole. See, so many other things are there. So that cannot be studied for you now. Okay. So that is, so we only learned the main parts that is common to all the cells. Plant cell, animal, human being, everything. Even fungus also. So nucleus, cytoplasm, cell membrane. So first what we have learned, the cell is the tiny unit with which the bodies of living organisms made. Now what I wanted, everyone write only this point now. You have written the heading. Below that you write this point which I underlined. Cell, the tiny unit with which the bodies of living organisms made. Only that you write. Don't write other things, I'll tell you.
I'm finished.
Okay? Yes. Now you have to write parts of a cell. Please write the heading, parts of a cell. As I told you, don't write everything. Next heading, next point. I'll write it here because that's not able to see. Parts of, after writing the cell, below that, okay? You have completed this, no? Below that, you write the next head.
Ma'am, under the definition?
Yes,
cell,
under
the
the
tiny
definition.
unit.
Yes, under the
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, do only plant cells have this nucleus, cytoplasm, and cell membrane?
All cells, all having all these three things mainly. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
All
Okay,
the
ma'am.
cells have. So that is what we are only learning the main parts. Other parts we will learn higher classes. All the cell, plant cell, animal cell, human cell, all are having the main these three parts. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Now what you should write? First one we will write cell membrane. First part. Under that you write cell membrane. Now we will see what do you mean by cell membrane. I have written here as a third point, cell membrane, a thin boundary enclose the cell. Have you seen this black lines around each cell? Because this is
yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
So this is not one cell. We have a lot of cells. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because our body full of cells. So this is around 10 cells are shown here. So every cell has a boundary here. Have you seen it? A black,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
We
ma'am.
can. Yeah. Yes,
yeah,
ma'am.
that is known as
Yes,
cell
ma'am.
membrane. So it is a boundary. You know that when we draw the football and we have a boundary. When
Yes,
you make a house, there is a boundary. So it is the same thing. So what is the boundary? What is cell membrane? A thin boundary enclose the cell.
Ma'am.
Please copy this sentence only. You write cell membrane. Under that, you will write that say. A thin boundary enclose the cell.
I'm finished.
Yes. Let everyone finish.
Ma'am, finished.
Yes. Shall we go to the next part?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Nucleus. Next important part of a cell is nucleus. So after writing the definition of cell membrane, you write the nucleus.
Ma'am, so we can write the
Yes,
definition?
you can write this one, nucleus. A distinct means very clear, centrally located, because it is centrally located on in the center of the cell. That's why. A distinct, centrally located spherical structure. Or simply we can say center of a cell.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Nucleus, you write a distinct, centrally
Centrally located
located
spherical
spherical structure.
structure.
Mm.
Finished.
And those who wanted very finding difficult, ma'am, it's very difficult to learn. You can just study. It is the center of a cell. Because for the 7th standard, it's enough. Okay. 8th standard, again, you have to study the big definition. So now you can, simply you can write either this or this, center of a cell. We have battery also cell, but we are not talking about that cell. Okay. It's a living organism. So those who write a distinct centrally located spherical structure or center of a cell. So if you give me, ma'am, center of a cell, you give me answer like that, I'll give you marks. Okay. Maybe some may be find it difficult to say centrally located spherical structure. But actually it look like a sphere. That's why they have given like that.
Ma'am, will write in short form?
Yes, you can write. You write. No problem. You write center of a cell. It's okay. But when I ask you some questions, if I give you this definition, you should understand whether it's a cell or something. Okay, I may ask you, name a distinct centrally located spherical structure of a cell. If I just give you MCQ like that, what answer you will give?
Nucleus.
Cell, nucleus. Okay. If I just give you what is the center, name the center of a cell or name the center of a plant cell, what answer you will give?
Nucleus.
Nucleus.
That's why I have given you both. So you can see everywhere it is more or less like a spherical structure. It's not a fully sphere, but you know that it is a cell which is made up of. So naturally you can see a spherical structure. And last one, last important part is cytoplasm. Cyto means C-Y-T-O-P-L-A-S-M. Yeah, cytoplasm. Sometimes they will not pronounce the M. They'll just say cytoplasm. If you go to your internet, you will get correct sound. These all are scientific terms. So sometimes they will pronounce in differently. Okay. Cytoplasm.
Okay, ma'am.
What is cytoplasm? You see, around the nucleus, you can see a lot of greenish things and so many colors like that. So that is just like a jelly. You know, it's just like a jelly. You know, jelly.
Ma'am, does it protect the
nucleus? Yeah, protect the nucleus and the cell. You see, even you touch in your eyes, you can feel that jelly-like substance. So,
Yes, ma'am.
same thing we have in our cells. So, you can write next, a jelly-like substance surrounding
nucleus.
Jelly-like substance
Surrounding nucleus.
Nucleus.
Yes. Okay, so these parts can be asked for you MCQ questions, maybe one word answers like that. What is cytoplasm? Or define the word cell. Okay, all these questions I can give you during when I give you the question answers. Okay, so
Yes,
now you
ma'am.
have to study during the lecture time. You have to study all these things. Clear?
Yes,
Have you
ma'am.
completed everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Next, we are moving on to, I think we weren't able to complete, but still we can have introduction. We are going to see how autotrophs are cooking the food. Clear? So next heading you can write photosynthesis. Today we will learn only what is photosynthesis. A detail we will study later. Okay. I have already given the notes like this. Clear?
Yes,
So what
ma'am.
is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is food making process in plants from simple substance like carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight.
Ma'am, we should write.
No, you don't have to write because already in the notebook, in the question answers I have given you, correct?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So you don't have to repeat, you only have to study. So next you can write the heading, only heading you can write because today we have studied the photosynthesis. Clear?
So you're saying that we don't want to write that definition?
No, now you don't have to write the definition, you only write photosynthesis heading. Next one, photosynthesis. And if you wanted, you can only write one sentence for you to have a memory. The process of, for you to know what I taught you today, you can write the process of making food in plants. That's enough for you to understand. Okay. But in question answers, you have to write what I given in the in that PDF. Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
photosynthesis means simply we can say it's the process of making food in plants. Okay. And how do they make? What are the things they use? Can you tell me what are the things they use?
Sunlight.
Carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight.
And in the presence of
Minerals from the soil.
Sunlight.
light. Okay. And where does photosynthesis takes place? This is everything I have given in your notes, I think. So you are only have to listen to me. The process of photosynthesis takes place where? Read it.
The
What
green
is
leaves
given?
of the plant.
In green leaves of a plant. So because of that, what we call for the leaves?
Leaves of the food factories.
Yes. For MCQ, I can ask you, name the food factories of plants. So what does you give me answer?
Leaves.
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 Leaves are the food factories of plants. Clear? Leaves are the food
Food
factories
factories of
plants.
plants.
Okay. Now, what is the next step? The food is prepared by the green leaves of a plant in the form of a simple sugar called glucose. In which form they make the food?
Glucose.
Glucose.
So there are so many MCQ questions are coming up, correct? One
Yes,
is
ma'am.
the process of photosynthesis. In which part the photosynthesis takes place in plants? Then you will tell me green leaves. Now, which is the food factory of the plant? What is that?
Leaves.
Leaves. Next, in which form the food is prepared by the plants? In which
Glucose.
form? Glucose.
Glucose.
It is in the form of glucose. And how do they store after making glucose? Every day they make the food. It's not necessary they have to eat the food every day. Whatever made by themselves, they don't eat. They whatever require, they take. Remaining one, what they do? They store it as a
Starch.
Yes.
In the form of
They-
starch.
So they don't eat full. Whatever require only they will eat. Okay. We
Yes,
eat, you
ma'am.
know. Even you don't require also you will eat. If you get something tasty, delicious, your stomach is full, still you will
eat it.
Still you will eat. Okay. But plants and animals are not like that. Even tiger and lion, They will kill the thing only if they require only. Otherwise, they don't do anything to anyone. So after eating, but we human beings going on eating, no? Sometimes we are going on eating. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Simply
So-
we will eat
Yes,
in.
Simply we will eat and you will get diabetes, cholesterol, and when you become big, you cannot eat anything. Yeah, that's it.
Yes.
Now, what is happening? Starch. Again, what will happen? The sunlight will convert the starch in the form of another type carbohydrates. This is the one what we get in our body. If you eat tapioca, you know tapioca kappa. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah, tapioca has a lot of starch. Okay, so
Potato.
yes, so it will give you carbohydrates. So we human beings and animals will get all this starch in the form of carbohydrates. The last MCQ, you get it. What thing will release during photosynthesis? Finally,
Ma'am,
what is
oxygen.
Oxygen.
Photosynthesis.
Oxygen. So these are the things of photosynthesis. We are only learning the things, what is happening. Okay. So
Okay, ma'am.
first, process of photosynthesis takes place in which part?
Green leaves of the plant.
Leaves.
Okay. Which are the food factories of plants?
Leaves are the food factories of plants.
Leaves. In which form the food prepare in leaves?
Glucose.
Glucose. How does it will store? How does it will store? Starch. And what will release? Finally, what will release?
Oxygen.
Oxygen. Okay.
Okay,
Okay, children. Now almost 5:30. You must be tired of all the classes. We are winding up. Okay. So up to
Okay, ma'am.
here, you will study. Yeah. Next class when you come, you have to go through. Don't study the question answers. What I taught you in the lecture notes. I have
Ma'am,
given
you
the
mean the
important.
lecture note? We
Yeah.
have a notebook.
Yeah. What are the things you have written in the lecture note? No, that you study. Question
Okay, ma'am.
I will give you time for another thing. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Also,
Yes.
Ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Steve, your audio stuck. Okay. You send me message in WhatsApp if you have some doubt. I can't hear you, Steve.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Only you study whatever in the lecture notes I have given. Okay.
Now you can hear me.
Now I can hear. Tell me, Steve, what are you asking?
You are right. It's the process of making food. In French, you are right below. Leaves are the food factories and
That I have no. I have given you that is in your question answers. Okay. Okay.
ma'am.
You can
Okay,
see
ma'am.
it. And remaining, I will be make a set of MCQ questions. I will send it to you later after finishing full chapter. Okay, for you to study.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. It's getting
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you very much.
thank you, ma'am.